Corruption has become a major issue in the state to the point of being blatantly exasperating merely to fulfill the gluttonous desire of a few certain section of people. The state, with all its internal issues, episodes of being looted by various government agencies and departments, is a perpetual chain that does not seem to break. To cite an example, the spokesperson of Meghalaya PCC, Shri Zenit Sangma, in a press conference held today at a Congress Bhavan Thana Road, Shillong, said the ADB funded meter to which conditions of the tender process of one qualified bidder to execute the work of an estimated cost of 200 crores, wherein 18% above the estimated cost, with around 36 crores of money being wasted and drained out.
Department which we need 24/7 in our daily life. Friends, in power department, there has been rampant corruption going on. There has been lots of anomalies in the department. So many a time I have been referring to so many corrupt practices being visible in the department for different issues pertaining to power department, where there has been lots of anomalies. I have raised different issues even in the assembly in the recently concluded autumn session. So today I want to focus on certain issues in our department which because of the paucity of time we could not deliver inside the house. One very important issue is ADB funded smart meter. For the supply of Asian Development Bank funded smart meters, again there has been lots of irregularities, lots of anomalies being found. Number one, the conditions in the tender process have been met in such a way wherein only one bidder will qualify. So here we have found only single bidder being qualified to execute the work of around 200 crores, and that too, which is not surprise anymore for us, 18% above the estimated cost. So you can calculate, if it is 18% above the estimated cost, and if the estimated cost is 200 crores, then extra 36 crores is being drained out. Because no competition has been met in the tendering process. We, with predetermined malafide intention, the tendering was done, wherein only single bidder of their choice could be qualified. And this is a scam, so to say, because in fair manner tendering process has to be done, wherein lots of companies, lots of suppliers would be able to participate, with lots of competitions among the suppliers, wherein the question of enhancing the original estimated cost amounting to 36 crores would not have been there. So when the state is facing with lots of financial crunch, when the state is not in a position to give the salary of different employees in different sectors, when the power in the power sector, the initial itself is not being able to give salaries to its employees till date. This money is being drained out because of the fact that the very purpose is to fulfill the greed of very few.